Pagod ka na ba sa 9 to 5 work mo? Gusto mo bang maging boss and magkaroon ng full control sa income and time mo? Hi, my name is Bri, and I'm IT by profession. I'm a manager for 6 years under Ravens Tower and leading 28 financial advisors. For the past 10 years in Sun Life, I've helped more than 1,000 families and I've helped them manage their financial portfolios. Dati I was stuck sa 9 to 5 p.m. job. Maganda yung sweldo, pero kulang sa time, freedom, and fulfillment. Kaya nag-shift ako from employee mindset to entrepreneur mindset. And it changed everything. Ngayon, gusto kong i-share sa inyo kung paano maging boss para magkaroon ng full control sa time and income mo. So, ito yung ginawa ko. Number 1, I shifted my mindset from employee to business mindset. Binago ko muna yung mindset ko. Hindi na ako naghanap ng trabaho kasi ang ginawa ko na lang, naghanap na lang ako ng opportunities. Kaya ngayon, ako na yung boss and ako na yung may full control sa time ko. Pwede akong mag-work kahit saan and kahit kailan. And yung maganda niyan, may impact pa to sa buhay ng ibang tao. I followed a proven system na ginagawa. Sun Life and Team Ravens Tower provided tools, trainings, and mentorship programs. May system ka ng susundan, kaya hindi ka na kailangan mga pa. Kaya mabilis ako nakapagsimula and eventually led a team of 28 financial advisors. Number 3, I used my social media to build and connect clients daily. Social media helped me share my message, connect to my clients, and grow my brand. No rent, no big capital, just consistency and value. Social media became my office, my brand, and my bridge to my clients. And the best part, I was helping my clients while I'm earning. Kung tulad kita na dati pagod din sa 9 to 5 work mo and gusto mong maging boss ng sarili mong oras at kita, good news, may paraan. Hindi mo kailangan maging business degree, hindi mo kailangan ng malaking capital or years of experience. Ang kailangan mo lang, magdesisyon na magsimula. Nagawa ko to dahil may support ng proven system, solid na team, and with the use of social media. Kaya kung gusto mo din ito, comment start in the comment section below. And we will show you how you can begin your journey too. So if you like this video, leave it a thumbs up and follow for more.